Alright, the time is now. We're all ready to go, and we'll start pouring concrete here in a minute. Alright, we're getting close. Just waiting for the next concrete truck to show up for our last pass around. So far it's going not too bad. Haven't had any blowouts, but we have had to add a lot of cleats here and there just to keep it from blowing out. But we're keeping on top of it and it's looking real good. Okay, so first real problem. We had a little blowout here. Popped right out. And this is just right in a normal corner, nothing weird going on here. As it's vibrating and halfway up, not even at the bottom. Blew right out. So, got this short up here and we're going to call her good for now. We'll just have a little bit of extra foundation in this corner. Hopefully this will hold her together. Alright, it's a couple days later here. Concrete is obviously poured now and things went relatively well. We had one blowout. We had to chase around the whole perimeter putting little scabs on. Just to keep things in check, but it turned out pretty good. We've still got bracing and scaffolding up just to hold it in place while concrete's curing. May as well leave it on as long as we can, and today we've gotten started on beginning the false work for our suspended slab for in the garage here. We've got most of the beams in place, one more to throw in there, and then we can start on the joist for that. All right, so we've had a pretty good day here. Beautiful weather for a change, and the guys have made good progress getting this slab prepped here. So we've got the stringers and the beams in place and the plywood on the deck here. Just got a few pieces to fill in around the side, and then we'll start on placing the rebar for this and get ready to pour next week. I even managed to get a fire lit today. We had a half decent index, although it's looking like that's starting to disappear on us. Smoke's starting to hang in the air a bit more. So I guess I won't stoke the fire anymore yet here tonight. We'll get her going again in the morning. All right, it's concrete day again. We got the finishers here, and we're pouring the suspended slab. Got all the rebar done and passed by the engineer. He's all happy. So this is the garage slab we're putting in. All right, in fading light here, another week is done. It's Friday. And progress this week isn't very visible and obvious, but we did get a lot done. One of the biggest things was we got the suspended slab poured. That went really well. We got her all tarped up and keeping it a little bit warm. There's a heater on underneath, just keep things toasty and keep it curing, because we've been hitting sub-freezing temperatures here. So I'm able to stand on my garage, I guess it is. And we also got a couple rooms poured over there in the corner as well. Managed to get the joist hangers on. All our floor system is supposed to arrive on Monday. And yes, we got damp proofing done on the foundation. So now we can throw some drain rock down there and start on backfilling. Although I am going to wait on that a bit, at least until I have the floor joists in place. That'll give the concrete walls, that'll have given them a couple weeks to cure here. So Monday morning, we're supposed to see the plumber out here. We'll get our under slab plumbing in and a little bit of insulation around the perimeter, and then we'll be ready to pour our slab. So we'll try and tee that up with the concrete guys, and I guess they'll be working underneath us as we're putting the floor joists in, but we'll kind of work around it because concrete's kind of important. We'll take advantage of whatever good weather we get. So, oh yeah, and we were also able to burn a fair bit this week. I think I got about half my pile burnt up. Just kind of picking away at that as we're able to with the venting index. So that's where we're at, and that's our plans for this week coming up. We'll talk to you later.